So I'm just starting this look off today by curling my lashes and prepping them for mascara at the end. And I'm taking my trusty £1 bronzer again, laying that down in a sort of winged shape. And I'm just blending it into that sort of wing shape again, and upwards and out to almost meet the tail end of my eyebrow. And I'm taking it underneath as well, just to blend everything together. Any colours I use on the top part of my eye, I always use on the bottom as well, and just smoke out underneath, and it just ties the whole look together. And here I'm just taking a dark brown and blending that onto my upper lash line and into that sort of wing shape again. Just gives a little bit more definition. Now for liquid liner, I'm just using a collection liner here. I've always used this one, it's my favourite one, and it's so cheap as well. I start here by just making a little mark in the middle of my eye. I think this is the easiest way, and I do it in 3 parts. So I start from the middle and I start to work my way out, and as you can see here, I'm showing you where my lower lash line curves naturally up and out. That's where you're going to find where your flick will go. So I go from the middle outwards to do that line from where my lower lash line follows up, and I bring it back down to make the flick, and then I go into the inner corner just to join it all together. So if you do it in 3 stages, you're going to find it a lot more easier. Okay, now for the main event. It is the red lip, so I'm using my favourite combination here from NYX, and the liner is called Dark Red and the liquid lipstick is called Madrid. And I think this kind of red is one of those reds that sort of suit everyone, so I tried to pick a red that everyone could wear. And this part is optional. This is just if you're going out and wearing this look to like a night out or something and you want it to be really perfected. All I'm doing is taking a clean brush with some foundation and going around and sculpting your lips, and it really just creates a really crisp line. And just applying some lashes and doing the lash dance. And that is the final look for me. I just apply my lashes, and you can leave it without lashes if you like. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed, thank you for watching.